For the Web 2.0, I'm going to do Tumblr. Tumblr is a place where you can create a blog and express yourself. Most people do this with photos. But there are other ways to post also. To get started, you could start customizing your blog. Just click in this top upper right area to your blog, and then click Customize Theme. You can see there are many options to choose from. You can upload a header and a background. And you can also choose from different themes. You can also choose a different kind of color and different kind of fonts to go with your blog. You can also have different options you can choose from. What people also like is to have a different kind of mouse. You could just get a mouse at a website and get the code to go with it. Here it shows the different kind of options to put a cursor on Tumblr. It also shows the instructions in case you don't know what to do. Make sure you click Save. You can see your blog by clicking this link to open your blog. As you can see, there's a cursor and there's all the different changes we made. If you want, you can make changes to your blog settings. This allows you to change your URL blog to something else if you want to, and you have a bunch of different options you can choose from, like opening your Ask box and sharing your posts on Facebook or Tumblr, or Twitter, or something like that. To follow someone, you can click the link here, which will show you the people you're following. And you can search for other people, like by their email address. But you wouldn't be able to find them if they made their blog private. If you want to make a post, you can go to your dashboard or your blog, either one. As you can see, the person you recently followed has their post right here. This top bar here allows you to create posts for your followers to see. This kind of post is just like a type of Word doc. You can type things, have a title, and have different fonts, and have picture and quote. These options over here lets you choose different settings for your post. The default setting it's on right now is a publish now, which is publishing immediately. But you could also choose add to queue, which lets you post when you're away. You can choose the different times you want to post it at. And publishing on lets you publish on a specific time and date. Saving as draft lets you save it and go back to post it another time. And private means that only you can see it. There are other kind of posts too, like photos, quotes, links, chat, which is like a dialogue, audio, and video. As you can see, the homepage to your Tumblr shows your dashboard, which is all the posts of the people you're following. You can reblog photos of the people you're following. This little box shows all the notes on the picture, like people who liked it, and you can like it by clicking this heart and showing your support for it, and people who reblogged it. You can click this little arrow box thing to reblog it, but there's a quicker way to do it if you want to, which is Alt plus then click the icon. But if you want to do it the shortcut way, you might want to consider if you have more than one different blog, because it would automatically reblog to your default blog. Now to create a new blog, that's a second blog, but on the same account, you can click this plus icon. Here you can create the title of your new blog, create the URL for it, and it'll be like your first blog, except on the same account. The different thing about this blog is that you can protect it with a password to make it private, so that only the people with the password can see it. The last thing I'm going to talk about is asking questions. To ask a question, you just someone's blog, and click the Ask button. But sometimes you may not find it because they may have set their settings so that people can ask questions, and you can fix that in your blog settings. To check your inbox, just click this mail icon, and you can see that you have one inbox. Here you can see your messages, you can answer people's questions, or you can see your fan mail. And you can delete them, and if you want, you can block them. So this is a Tumblr Web 2.0 tool, and if there's any other questions you have, you can click this help button, which is like an FAQ.